This is the hardware from the cabinet that was stained brown, and it does have some rust on it. So I am going to clean this up. They look like they're made of brass. They look like they could be this, but I do see some rust where some water has probably got on it, and I'm going to show you how to remove the rust. Get these looking nice again. But always save the hardware because you can always use them again. Even if they're rusty, there is a way to get that rust off, and I'll show you how. Okay, so I have these hinges from the door. As you can see, there's some rust. That one has got a lot of rust on it. Some of them aren't too bad, but I want to clean them all off. So I'm going to use some vinegar. And I also want to use some baking soda. And I am going to scrub them with a toothbrush. You can see some of the grime coming off. Well, part of that's dust. You know, baking soda and vinegar are such wonderful household cleaners. You can use them for so many things. They are my main ingredients for cleaning my bathroom, my oven, stains in the carpet. I actually use it on my hair. I use baking soda for the shampoo and vinegar for the conditioner. In various combinations. Sometimes I mix Dawn dish soap with it. Hydrogen peroxide is another cleaning ingredient that I use. I'm going to look at that real rusty one. I think this one needs a lot more baking soda. If it had like a little paste, it would be a little better. I think some steel wool would actually be a good idea. I think I'm going to bring out the steel wool. I need to get gloves on though. Right. I'm going to rinse them now. Okay, they are rinsed. Just want to dry them off. Okay, this one on the left was the worst. It doesn't look so rusty anymore, but you can see it still has kind of a darker color. Now I can choose to spray paint them. As you can see a discoloration in this one right here. They're kind of a dark brass, almost a bronze. Well, it did remove the rust, and they're cleaner. It's a darker color than I was hoping for, but I guess that's the color this metal was colored. I'm thinking that the metal, this little piece came off here. I'm thinking that they maybe were painted, because I see some silver right there. I don't really want silver. I wanted a brass look. Maybe they put like a brass coating over the whole thing. But I am going with a vintage look for the bathroom, so that's fine. At least I got rid of the rust. We'll use these hinges because they're actually in good shape. So here's my new bathroom. We have a porcelain sink installed with the new cabinet, and the floor is tiled, and I put wainscoting on the walls. The color helps go with the vintage theme, so I have some vintage family photos from different events where we dressed in costumes for parties or events. And I'm really happy with the way it all turned out. I still need to do something with the mirror, but yeah, it looks great.